In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Steam Games Auto Update on PC. If you want your games to stay ready to play without manually checking for patches every time, turning on automatic updates in Steam is a simple setting that can save you time. This is especially useful for online games, where running an outdated version can prevent you from joining matches or accessing new content. In this walkthrough, I'll show you where to find the right option and what to look for, so Steam can handle updates for you in the background. To get started, open Steam on your PC. Give it a moment to fully load, especially if it needs to connect to your account or refresh your library. Once Steam is open, look to the top left corner of the window. You'll see the Steam menu there. Click Steam and then choose Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open the main settings panel where you can control how the app behaves on your computer. If you've never been in this section before, don't worry. The layout is straightforward and the option we need is easy to find. From the settings menu, select Downloads. This section controls how Steam handles game downloads, updates, and related network behavior. Since automatic game updates are part of Steam's download system, this is the correct place to manage them. Now, make sure Steam is allowed to download updates. You want to check that there aren't any settings here preventing downloads from happening automatically. For example, if update downloads are restricted too heavily, Steam may delay them instead of installing them when available. The goal is to allow Steam to fetch and apply updates so your games stay current with minimal effort from you. If needed, review the download-related options carefully and make sure they support automatic updating rather than limiting it. This can be especially helpful if you usually leave Steam running in the background, because the app can then keep your games updated while you do other things. Once that's set, you're good to go. Steam should now be able to manage updates more smoothly, helping your games stay up to date automatically. That means fewer interruptions, less waiting before launch, and a better overall experience when you're ready to play. And that's all it takes to make Steam Games Auto Update on PC. If you found this helpful, feel free to keep this setting in mind whenever you install new games so your library stays current without extra work.